Hello Web Skills family. Today I will show you how to create travel intro animation using reveal effects. So open your project, go to upload and upload the image that you need to design. So I will choose this one and discard. So click the right button and set image as background. Great. And add new text. Philippines. Go to font and select your preferred font. I choose Anton and resize it. Choose color to white or any color. Go to effect and make lift. Great. And go to upload and edit this car. Remove background and go to edit and select magic eraser. Select brush and resize the brush and remove all this rest rouge. Go back to the design. This is the car. Resize it. Select flip. It's good. And go to element and select shape. Change the color to gold color. Yeah, I love this one. And resize it like this. And duplicate. Duplicate again. Take this one as you want. And make zoom out for this one. Select all layers except Philippine text. So, and make it in group. Duplicate the page. And move it. And go to the first page. Which looks good. Now go to text. travel. Choose your preferred font and resize it. Duplicate. Choose show timing element. And for two also. Choose animation. Choose and enter. Make play. And now go to transition and choose match and move. She looks good. And download your intro. Thank you for watching this video and see you in next video.